Hey guys, it is Greg again. I wanted to people have some questions on what Bitcoin is doing, and let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out. Welcome to my channel. Those that just recently subscribed, I do appreciate you. Thank you very much. People are liking and commenting on my videos. I appreciate you guys too. Thank you very much. Um, Here is the, let me change that. Do I need, yeah, let me change that real quick. 300. Here we go. Did it come down to the 300? No, it didn't make the 300. For the weekly candle, that's a nice bullish wick. It's not bad, guys. Look at that. See that candle? It's pretty good. It's not bad. All right, so let's go over and dive into this chart a little bit deeper. Let me go down to the 2-hour first. And I had, let's see here. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. Okay, that's definitely a bullish move. 1, 2, 3, like a diagonal type move. Yeah, for sure, guys. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It looks like. Yeah. So the thing you're gonna have to watch out for, guys, is that this is a bullish move, and you're gonna want to see a three-way retracement and then a bullish move again. So you want to see two of them because it could be this. It could be ABC. It could be swinging up for a corrective wave. I don't think so. But you always want to be on the safe side. You can't call that that's the bottom at all. And it's going up pretty high on the RSI. So take a look at the, if this count would work. Yeah, I guess you'd have to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that would be 5, like that. And let's see. I don't like the fact that there's a lack of divergence, but you can't call this. Let's see. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So you can't call that. Yeah, there's divergence there from that point to that point. So that's more than likely some sort of impulsive bullish move. So I wouldn't get your hopes up quite yet. We have to see how this plays out because it could be A, B, C up, or you just have to see it. You want to see a three-way pullback. You're going to want to see a three-way pullback, nice and clean. You know, it'll come all the way down to the bottom too, probably. So, you know, it's too early to make a decision. I know it looks good. We'll go to Ethereum. Take a look at Ethereum. See how it looks, guys. Let me go to the 30-minute. Yeah, Ethereum's the same way. It's actually even more bullish, more of a bullish move. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's interesting. They're doing the exact same type of move, isn't it? Let's see what's RSI. Yeah, RSI's got divergence from the 3rd to the 5th. So yeah, it's a bullish move. You just want to make sure that this doesn't happen. Right here, it doesn't A, B, it swing up for a C. To trick people, just have to wait for it to play out, guys. So I do think that the bottom is near. You know, I wouldn't say that you could call it the bottom yet. I wouldn't. That wouldn't be a smart thing to say that. You know, looking at the whole sequence on the daily for Bitcoin, you know, this would be. Let me take this off for the time being. This would be like this here, A, B, C. So it's a double zigzag, guys. A, B, C. So this is your X wave or your connector. And this is a W, X, Y. So you have to look at it. Does it look complete? Does it look right? for a double zigzag. Does a zigzag look good? So far so good. I mean, it looks okay. What are the fibs on this thing? If that's it, let's take a look. There it is right there. Fib level from there to there. 1.38 right there on the nose, isn't it? That's an acceptable area for a WXY, 1.38 right there, guys. That is acceptable. It's not unusual. Now check this. You could check this zigzag. See if there's anything unusual with that. Yeah, it's almost to a 1-to-1. See, there's the one right there, guys. That's the one right there. It's just right above it. So that's what you want to see for a zigzag. So it looks okay. It looks okay. I wouldn't call the bottom yet though, guys. You still have to wait. So what are you going to wait for? Don't worry. You don't want to FOMO or anything, you know, so you're going to see a move like this, and it can even go way up there, guys, and you're still going to have that deep correction. So if you do miss anything, you know, you're going to have a correction to pick it back up. Should be fairly deep. The other thing is too, I wanted to go over is like a lot of people are just paying attention to the Bitcoin chart. And this would, to me, is the overall count, guys. It would be, here's your, you have a 3-wave move here, a 3-wave move here. So it's like this. Would be like that. Is that acceptable? Let's check that. Okay, let's check the top of this wave to that wave. So this is the W, X, and then Y for a fib. Let's do the whole length to see what we got. And it's 1.618. That's acceptable. Let's check it from the top of the, just a second, let me check that again. Check it again right here from the top of that to the bottom of there to the top of there. What did it hit? It hit a 2.0 on the nose right there. So you kind of from here, correction to that correction up to there, it's a perfect 2, twice as big. So far that's acceptable. I would say that's acceptable, guys. You know, there's a lot of other stuff going around, and I'll say that like a lot of people are changing their narrative because I think what they're doing, guys, is they're listening to the media, and I have to go off the data and first and foremost before I go off of what people say in the media, because usually if you think about it, guys, the market is going to be corrected. It has already probably gone up 20, 30, 35% before the media and people on Twitter are going to be saying, oh, maybe the correction is over. Literally, you watch, that's going to happen. They're going to be way, way too late. It's going to be far behind. The market's going to turn way before that, guys. You have to realize that. You know, the area that it came to is well beyond the 0.382. Do I have that set right? Yeah, well beyond the 0.382. You know, I did say they could wick down there, guys. I did say it could go, you know, past it and dive down past the 382. So, you know, that looks good. And then I had a target right here. So for this area, right on top of there, you check that. So it looks, I mean, so far so good, guys. We just have to have a little bit more patience with this. Now, the other thing is too that, you know, a lot of people are only looking at the Bitcoin chart and also the Ethereum chart for, you know, for corrections. I think, in my opinion, 2 charts that you want to really pay attention to, possibly 3 charts, is right here, the DXY. Now, this isn't 100% inverse correlated to Bitcoin. I think last time I said correlated, inversely correlated Bitcoin. However, the issue, the deal with the DXY in Bitcoin is if it goes down, it's kind of look at it like Bitcoin doesn't have as much of a headwind. It has more maybe of a little bit of a tailwind for it when this is going down. It's more risk off, okay? So you can see here that that peak, it's above that peak. Now, can this extend? It could, but you do have divergence right there. Okay, you see the bearish divergence. And then if you look at the peak from the third wave over here, here's the third wave. It came down and made this fifth of the third. You can see massive amounts of bearish divergence from this whole structure from its third wave right there, guys. You see? So this is probably, unless it just takes everything out, it's going to go a lot higher. I don't think that it is, because at a minimum, the DXY is in a fifth wave. And so just have to see how this is going to work out. The other one too is going to be the oil chart. You want to pay attention to the oil chart. This is going to matter. If it does this, Bitcoin's going on its fifth wave run. And if it does this, that's when you have issues. But you can see from this peak to here, there is divergence. Now, it could be doing a correction and still go up a little bit more, but it'll be down here. There'll probably more likely still be divergence like this on the bearish divergence on the oil chart. So the oil is in a topping pattern. It's in a topping pattern. It's getting ready to run out of steam right here, especially after that drop a little bit. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes here in the next couple of weeks. And the USDC chart is another one too. When people are going to exit, you can see lately that people have been terrified and they've been going into USDC. But if you follow this channel, you would have known it in USDC back in December at a minimum. So that was the time to get into USDC for the most part on your coins. It's back in November, December, not now. You don't rush into it now. That's not how you do the markets. So here's 1, 2, and then up for that 3 right here, guys. And then it has the 5. So you can see with USDC, it is making a significant amount of bearish divergence. Now, whether it keeps going up to take that out, don't know. But all the signals between this, and this, and there's other charts too. I don't want to go over too many because people don't like these charts. Is inversely correlated to this, sort of, kinda, and it's starting to make a little bit more sense. Do I think we've bottomed? I don't know. It's going to be very difficult to say if Bitcoin has bottomed or not. I mean, I think we're somewhere near the bottom, in my opinion. So could there be one more low? Possibly, and more than likely. A swing back down to those areas that before, just below 17, is a possibility. Or it could be done already. Who knows? We just have to wait and see. Be patient, guys. If you've been following this channel, stacking your cash, hanging on to USDC, or, like right now, I've been DCAing into Bitcoin. I picked up some at 21, at 20, and also just over 18,000. If it goes down to the 16.7, 16.8, I'm going to pick up some more. My bags are my amount is just getting bigger as it goes down. So it was small, a little bit more, and as it goes down, a little bit more. But I definitely think we're somewhere near the bottom, guys. All right. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I do appreciate it. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Peace.